Alright, so this is what it looks like on my drive home from work, where I worked, I'd say about 5 minutes. So that was fun. I think I have a way I can set this camera up where you can see just how bad it really is.
Hi, Natalie here for Events and Adventures, a 22-year-old nationwide activities Congress singles. Put on more than 50 events a month, so all you have to do is show up and have fun. But don't take my word for it.
Before I joined Events and Adventures, everybody that I knew was married, and so it allowed me to meet a lot of single people.
I joined because when I first got there.
Yeah, this is pretty bad. I'm in a front wheel drive and I'm having some decent traction issues. And I still have about, I'd say 8 miles to go, 9 miles to go. So this drive ought to take me about 35 or 40 minutes, as long as nobody's hit anybody else and blocked the road, or there's not a bus doing donuts in the middle of the road like there was back there. I wish I had already had the camera on at that point in time, but, you know, beggars can't be choosers. I just thought of this. Wow, I totally came into that commercial at the wrong time. The guy said, the one thing I love about little boys and little girls, you know, if the radio cut off right there, you may sound like a pedophile. Just saying. Yeah, visibility's kinda ass. Just kinda. And it's not because my windshield's dirty either. Like, it is. This is probably the hardest I've ever seen it snow in Tennessee. Thank God I have a stick shift. This would suck in an automatic. This would suck so freaking hard. Alright, holy shit. Goose it a little bit. Goose it. Goose it. Woo! I was almost one of those morons that went in a ditch. Holy shit. I don't know how I'm going to make it up my driveway, to be perfectly honest. This should be exciting. Holy shit. Okay. Give this guy some room here. Because he's most likely not a rear or front wheel drive. No, he's rear. He's spinning in the rear. If you're gonna turn off, do it. I got a hill up here and I gotta get speed going. Okay. Tilt the seat up a little bit so I can see better. This is sketchy. Oh, so sketchy. How sketchy? Pretty fucking sketchy. Oh, there's a car. Did he just park there? Whatever. Going for it. Well, I'm going 50 miles an hour according to my speedometer. Okay. So thank God I drive a stick shift. And yeah. I can just barely see the tracks where people have made. The snow is falling so quick that the tracks that I made on this road about 40 minutes ago are already gone. And I don't think I've ever been in snow that was deep enough to actually cause the car to slow down as aggressively as it is right now. Like the friction of the snow because it's so deep. But yeah, that happened. Now we get to the sketchy part, the downhill. Now if I'm lucky, these trees would have blocked just a little bit of the snowfall. No, I didn't get lucky. But I'm going to coast down this, try and use the thickness of the snow to help me slow down. Actually, it looks like I'm going to come to a complete stop if I don't give it some gas. I just hope somebody's not trying to come up the hill at the same point while I'm trying to go down. Because him fishtailing and wagging his ass all over the place might be problematic. Oh my God, this is going to be bad. But still better than being around other morons. You know, this is one of those things that just, you're like, wow, this is probably pretty damn dangerous. Because it is. So yeah, if it snows like this, and you're in Tennessee where they can't clear roads very quickly, you may just want to stay off the roads. That may be an advisable statement. I don't know how I have that camera tilted here. May be able to see shit, may not. With the naked eye, at least, you can see the snow literally falling in sheets. Which is awesome. In a, oh God, today and tomorrow is gonna suck to drive in kind of way, but hey, beggars can't be choosers. Now I have to take off from the stop onto a main road. Up, almost up. And there we are. There we are. Still slipping and sliding, but accelerating. Going up the hill. I think I'm well within my lane. I think I can only guess at this point in time. Okay, I see tire tracks here. Actually, you know what? I'm gonna try and give these guys some leeway here. I really don't like driving past people going the opposite direction in this weather. It's all it takes is for one of them to get on the gas a little hard and the tail end of it come out, and then they're in my lane and I don't have the traction to do anything about it. So there's that. Yeah, I'm gonna take this way. You know, some people may call me stupid for taking more back roads than I do main roads, but at this point in time, it's not like the main roads are any better. And the back roads are going to put me in a position to where I don't have to run into many people. And your odds of getting into a wreck in this kind of weather go up with more people you're around. So be that as it may. Be that as it may, I'm really hungry. I wonder if McDonald's is open. There's an interesting thought. is McDonald's open? I'm probably going to get the stink eye from hell pulling up. But McDonald's is kind of in a way that I don't want to go from here. Meanwhile, GT cornering. Oh. The only reason I know this road is here is because of the street sign. Oh my god, this car slows down quick right now. Holy shit. This keeps going, we're gonna get more than half a foot. Because this is supposed to go on all day. This is messy. I would estimate visibility right now is down to about 350 feet at best. I can see shadows at 350 feet. You know, it's times like this, I miss my F-150 I used to have. This four-wheel drive, awesome in this kind of stuff. I mean, well, I couldn't stop any better than anybody else, but I certainly didn't have any problems going anywhere. It's just the problem of stopping. Alright, so there's a stop sign. Nobody's coming, so I'm not going to bother to try and stop. It's one of those things where, hey, nobody's watching, so it's like, does a bear crap in the woods? Well, you don't know. Or if a tree falls in the middle of the woods, does it make a sound? Well, yeah, you know it makes a sound. But the fact of the matter is, nobody's there to observe it. So what does it matter? I'm kind of curious here. I'm going to pull up my in-car radio traffic map. You know, for some reason there's a lot of yellow and red on this, and I don't know why. I heard on the radio they were saying interstates were shut down, which honestly does not surprise me. I wonder if 24 is open. I mean, because I hadn't seen a single snowplow out this way, so one would only theorize that they're all on the interstates trying to get those clear. But I hate the prospect of taking an interstate right now. And I'm hungry. There's no damn fast food between me and the house. And there's a stop sign that I actually have to obey. Alright, I don't got anybody coming opposite direction. Well, I'm at least 350 feet. It's about as far as I can see. Woo! What traction? Yeah, this is probably some of the worst I've had to drive in a while. Oh, this is where I saw a wreck earlier. On the way in, I didn't get to see what had happened or what had caused it to happen. I'm only assuming that, you know, the proliferous amount of slick stuff on the road. Well, I have an incoming call.
Incoming call. Press the pickup.
Crap. I hit the wrong button. That happens from time to time. Let me just, thank God my car is hands-free.